Joining us on debate number 2 this evening here on the News Hour, Aman Sinha, leader of the BJP, senior advocate with the Supreme Court of India, Dr. Bhalachandra Mungekar, MP Rajya Sabha for the Congress. Rahul Narvekar will be joining us in just a bit from the NCP. Prem Shukla, good evening. Executive Editor, Dopahar Ka Samna, and of course with me in the studio, Kumar Ketkar, senior journalist. Now, Mr. Prem Shukla, why will anybody take the Shiv Sena seriously? Because only the other day you had the Shiv Sena president saying 119 and nothing else. This is the final offer. No change. And today they are ready for 130.
देखिए, I will like to describe this in हिंदी.
बोलिए.
हमारे यहाँ बहुत बढ़िया कहा है, दोस्ती इम्तिहान लेती है और दोस्तों की जान लेती है.
सर, यहाँ तो आप इलेक्ट्रेट वोटर की जान ले रहे हैं.
वो आईसीयू में पहुंचने की स्थिति आ गई थी.
यहाँ तो आप वोटर की जान ले रहे हैं. इम्तिहान आप वोटर का ले रहे हैं.
डोंट वरी. और आईसीयू से बाहर निकले तो हम जब भगवा ध्वज लेकर लहराते हुए स्वस्थ और जो है दूसरों को चमत्कारित करते हुए दिखाई दिए. तो इस कारण जो है थोड़ा इस पर चर्चा करना स्वाभाविक है. लेकिन शिवसेना ने जो कहा था मिशन 150, इट वाज डिसाइडेड ऑन 19 जून 2014 एंड वी आर ऑन दैट मिशन 150.
तो यानी आप यूपी के बाकी एलाइज की सीटें काटकर बीजेपी को दे रहे हैं. ये कहां का न्याय हुआ?
We will work out that. Both parties will work out. We have decided. No, we are the best people to decide the justice between us. The allies has gotten all the democratic rights to decide the justice.
So what about the most important part of democracy, the voter? He doesn't even get more than 23 days to decide.
There will be a resolve. There will be a resolve. Yes, it can be decided in 1 hour.
नहीं, वो तो पार्टीज डिसाइड करेंगी. वो वोटर का कोई मोल ही नहीं है यहाँ.
1991 on 21st May 1991 Rajiv Gandhi got assassinated and the mood of the
ये डिसीजन होना ही था तो why wait till 23 days before?
You can't say that this will be decided. And
why wait till just 23 days before the election?
There was the first time. For the political reasons, please try to know. This was the first occasion from 1990 to 2014 when Shiv Sena and BJP has to adjust fresh allies into its fold. So someone has to share some seats, and we were the bigger BJP? Share in Maharashtra. So we have sacrificed our seats, and we have offered, we have accommodated our allies, and tried to save Hindutva and the front to dethrone the corrupt Congress and NCP government. We have done our side of the sacrifice.
Is that true, Mr. Aman Sinha?
We always stand for the
Prem Shukla. Is what Prem Shukla saying true?
We have proved it.
Because the numbers show that in the past it's the BJP that has always sacrificed. Is that not what Eknath Khatse also said? Shiv Sena has never left up their seats. It's the BJP that's compromised in the past, even though they have had better winnability. And this time around, you have the Shiv Sena coming out and saying, let the allies, the other allies of the Yuti sacrifice. We are not budging. So what kind of an arrangement is this?
Rahul, Anand, you will recall that 3 days back we were having debate on the same subject, and I had mentioned to you that we are heading towards a positive resolution of an understanding of the seats between both the parties, because our common goal is to defeat this, unholy Congress NCP alliance and to get people of Maharashtra rid of this inept and inefficient NCP Congress government in Maharashtra. And therefore, in interest of people of Maharashtra and in interest of our long-standing alliance, both the parties are coming together, and I'm sure people of Maharashtra will immensely support this alliance and will come to power with resounding numbers.
No, we have.
And as far as some amount of Anand, you will appreciate that some amount of discussion, debate, disagreement is very understandable and natural, because immediately before any election, a realistic and objective assessment of the ground situation, political ground situation, has to be made by all the stakeholders, by both the political parties. It is natural that both the political parties will have their own perceptions, will have their own aspirations. But finally, whatever the decision the party leadership takes. Everybody abides by that, and you will see that playing out
At what
in our
cost
alliance.
and at whose cost,
And,
Aman Sinha?
in
Aman
true
Sinha,
spirit of unity,
Mr.
we'll contest this
Mungekar,
election.
good evening. I'll come across to you. Just be with us. Kumar Ketkar has a question for Aman Sinha.
Yeah, Mr. Sinha, only simple question as to if in any case you were committed to defeat NCP and Congress alliance, the so-called unholy alliance, then why did you create so much of fracas and ruckus for last about 10 to 15 days? You could have said negotiations are on. That's it. It could be 130, it could be 150, it could be 190, whatever. But negotiations are on. Once negotiations are over, we'll come back to you. But no, you took your conflicts, you took your confrontation in public. And then suddenly you realize that you are friends, old friends, and your only aim is to defeat Congress and NCP. Don't you think that in the process, even if your Yuti remains, even if your alliance remains, Saffron alliance remains, essentially you have lost credibility and you have lost the claim that you are committed to the principle, to the objective, to the aim, but you are essentially fighting amongst yourself. And therefore, the fight is only for power and not for principles at all.
No, Mr. Ketkar, I respectfully beg to disagree with you. In any vibrant democracy, such parleys and such disagreements can always be there. And however, the real test is that after all debate, discussion, and some disagreements also, if both the alliance partners are coming together and they are amicably coming together, I do not know why you should be having any problem with that. And as far as credibility is concerned, let the people of Maharashtra decide that.
No, I am
people
ready
of
to
Maharashtra will
concede,
vote
Mr.
on
Sinha.
that, and you will see what happens on 19th
Mr.
of
Sinha,
October.
I am on your page. I am ready to concede that there is anti-incumbency wave and you are likely to win, or you are most likely to win. But given that situation, was it not your duty towards credibility?
Thank you.
Was it not your duty towards credibility, to maintain credibility, that you decide your conflicts and confrontations within four walls and come to the people? But you actually fought with the people and with your supporters directly in the public. And that was the loss of credibility that your alliance has suffered. And why don't you recognize that?
Mr. Ketkar, you are a very seasoned journalist. No, you are a very seasoned, experienced journalist. You will appreciate that in politics, immediately before elections, some amount of aspirations, they publicly also get expressed. But that doesn't mean that people there will be any kind of discontent or resentment. Once the leadership takes a view, both the alliance partners come together, and in interest of people of Maharashtra, we'll contest this election together, and we'll emerge victorious.
We will go across to Mr. Balachandra Mungekar also. Appreciate your patience, sir. Mr. Mungekar, the Congress had the opportunity to cash in on this uneasy arrangement between BJP and Sena over the last 2-3 weeks. But you yourself are in bickering with the NCP. What's happening there?
See, basically,
you're fighting a losing battle and still bickering over it.
No, it's not the question of losing the battle or bickering. This is what is politics. See, still NCP and Congress, both of us are very hopeful that day after tomorrow whole day there will be discussions. Discussions are still going on, and 15 years we have worked together despite this kind of bickerings. You might have seen that there was not a single day during last 15 years there was some sort of bickering or not, and still we ruled the Maharashtra state for last 15 years. We have delivered the goods. Keeping that in view, and the internal bickering within the alliance partners of BJP and Shiv Sena, I am sure that some definite agreement will reach, and in Congress
but that's what is surprising. That's what is surprising, Mr. Mungekar. That you have always said that you have had a better equation with your ally between the BJP and Shiv Sena.
Yeah. Congress NCP alliance is today lying in ICU, and they are more worried about our health. You should first worry about your own alliance.
No, let us not go for rhetoric. This is the absolute question is whether BJP, Shiv Sena or NCP and Congress, when these two alliances are trying to fight election on one side and the other side, there is likely to be some sort of hair splitting between these two parties themselves. Suppose, for example, you might have seen over the last period of time, the main question in this entire election Maharashtra business is who will become the chief minister. Whether BJP or NCP, BJP or Shiv Sena or Congress, or this is the main. Now, my question is, there should some wisdom should prevail. They should go for immediate alliances, and we are trying our level best. And I am sure.
Why hasn't this wisdom prevailed between the NCP and the Congress? Is it
No, no, I'm talking
that
about
you're
vis-a-vis
waiting to
no,
see
no,
what
but
happens
my-
with the BJP and the Shiv
No,
Sena
no.
to decide what you should do with the NCP?
Not at all. Not at all. The question is,
Is it not
that
possible-
independent of what is happening to BJP and Shiva Sena, the Congress and NCP definitely will ultimately incur into some sort of alliance, and we shall fight the election
So
together.
what are you waiting
This
for?
Sort of, you know,
Why are you delaying the announcement every day? Every day the BJP Shiv Sena
No, no,
delay
even-
what they want to do, the NCP Congress delay what they want to
And
do.
wasn't Congress suspicious
it-
about
no,
NCP all
see,
the
you
time
know
that
the
NCP may
no.
just go with Shiv Sena or BJP?
Point. Yes, Mr. Mungekar.
NCP, according to most Congress people, they were suspicious about NCP's behavior.
No, my point is not. It is not the question of. Now, let us not comment on each other. Let us try to see our own house in order. Okay. My question is, this is the labor pain before delivery of a child. See, this is minimum thing going to happen.
After having
15
an
years.
alliance and running a government for such a long time, you still have pains. That is again, and that too, it's a situation of adversity, Mr. Mungekar. I'll come across to you.
but-
I'll come across to you.
Anand, in case of Congress NCP, it is labor pain without any delivery at all.
Well,
Don't be rhetoric, Gary. Don't be rhetoric.
But
have
Mr.
nothing to
Mungekar, you are
do.
inviting it upon yourself. But I have to go back to Mr. Prem Shukla at this one. Why
I'm
will
not inviting
anybody?
at all. My point is these are the rhetoric. These are counterproductive.
So where is the action?
These are
Where is the
debate.
result? Where is the result? Because everybody here is
Result-
posturing. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Is this?
Everybody is waiting for Pitru Paksha to be over.
Is that true? Is that true, Mr. Prem
Everybody-
Shukla?
No, no,
Is this mere
everybody-
superstition over the interest of the voter and the electorate?
It is the Pitru Paksha concern, and that's why everybody was waiting for the final call. And despite having come to an agreement between BJP and Sena that our alliance will remain, they have still kept it in balance. Because tomorrow at 11:43, the Pitru Paksha will be over, and suddenly the new Muhurta will be born, and therefore everybody believes, so ironically,
You see
that
this-
all of them will come to power
Has he
after
called
Pitru
your
Paksha.
bluff, Mr. Prem Shukla? Has he called the Shiv Sena and the BJP's bluff here? Has Kumar Ketkar called the bluff here?
And all four parties are Pitru Paksha believers.
Mr. Pandit Kumar Ketkar has gotten a right to bluff like that. But as a reformist,
You were the
and
first to
we
smile.
always believe in
You
science.
were the first to smile,
So
Mr. Shukla.
we believe in scientific
And mind you,
Hindutva.
people of Maharashtra will not
Hindutva.
smile at this
So
because
we
you
don't
have held
believe
them
in
to
that.
ransom.
And
You're holding them at ransom.
Even Pandit Kumar Ketkar will agree that Prabodhan Thackeray and his Thackeray family don't believe in these type of
Never.
things.
Thackeray never believed
But
in
there
it.
was
If they
Prabodhan
didn't believe,
Thackeray-
there
if
was
they
some
didn't
issues.
believe, then
There
come
was
to the
some
next
issues.
question.
तो
Then
उनका तर्पण जरूरी था।
campaigned against the superstition.
then
कुछ
what about?
सहमतियां थी, उनका तर्पण जरूरी था।
No, what
अब
just-
घट स्थापना होगी और शौर्य दिखाएंगे दुर्गा पूजा में और दिवाली मनाएंगे, बस इतनी बात
नहीं
है।
नहीं, आप बातें बड़ी बड़ी कर लीजिए शुक्ला जी, लेकिन आपके जो शिवसेना के जो चीफ हैं उद्धव ठाकरे, उन्होंने कुछ दिन पहले क्या बोला, उस बात का कोई मोल नहीं।
जी
उन्होंने क्या बोला कि 119 सीटें जाएंगी भाजपा
पूरा
को,
बोले 150
119 सीटों से ज्यादा नहीं देंगे।
ये तो तय हुआ ना।
तो वो कैसे बदल गया? 18 सीटें एलायंस को जाएंगी बोला था, वो सब कैसे बदल
अगर
गया?
मित्रों से
क्यों खड़े होकर इतने बड़े मंच पे बोला उन्होंने ऐसे
अरे
कि इसके
मित्रों
आगे
से
कुछ भी
नहीं
नहीं?
नहीं, मित्रों से अहंकार की भाषा नहीं बोली
तो
जाती।
फिर उन्होंने ही बोला था,
बोली जाती।
मैंने तो नहीं बोली ये बात,
और जनमत में
उन्होंने ही
हम
खड़े होकर
प्यार से
मंच
अपनी
पे बोला
बात
था,
रखें।
उन्होंने खड़े होकर मंच पे बोला था।
जो ये दिस इज द डेमोक्रेसी उनका। हमने एक दूसरे से नहीं, हमने प्यार की बात की, तकरार की बात की, लेकिन आखिर तो हम यार की बात की ना। हमारा याराना
नहीं,
कायम है ना।
ये-
उधर आज भी जो है
नहीं आप
सत्ता में बैठकर भी
बहुत ही
याराने पर
गहरी
जो है
बात
स्यापा
को
है।
हल्के में ले रहे हैं और मजाक में उड़ा रहे हैं, क्योंकि उन्होंने क्या कहा था कि
नहीं, एकदम से
ये
हम
शिवसेना
पूरी
की शान
तरह
की
से-
बात है।
मैं-
उन्होंने कहा
मैं
था ना,
सत्य को ही
क्या
उद्घाटित
बदल
कर
गया
रहा हूं।
सर? क्या बदल
नहीं,
गया?
शिवसेना की शान कायम है।
अगर यूटी में सब एक बराबर है, सबकी
शिवसेना जो है,
भूमिका इंपॉर्टेंट
वो
है,
alliance की
तो
बड़ी
आज
factor
अचानक
है।
सब कैसे बदल गया? और
हमने
किस
तो
बात का डर है
हमारे
शिवसेना
और
को?
उनके बीच में जो पुराना गठबंधन है उसका कायम रखना जरूरी है। ये दोनों पार्टियां इस बात पर सहमत हुई।
नहीं, उनका
We
सवाल है
agreed that-
मुख्यमंत्री
नहीं,
कौन
ये
बनेगा?
सहमति तो हमेशा से थी।
And we'll adjust
ये
the other-
ये सहमति तो
other
हमेशा से थी. Why
So
didn't you
this is-
decide? Why didn't you decide on day one
We
itself?
resolved
If
on
this
that.
was what going to be the final arrangement, the BJP was already open to it.
मुख्यमंत्री कौन बनेगा, ये सवाल था।
I think you will agree that this is our political right. Please don't interfere with that.
No, what is your political right to hold the
political
electorate and the
right. We can
voter at
disagree
ransom,
on
keep
any
him guessing till the last
point.
moment? No, the bickering
No,
has
not
because
at all. Not at all.
No, what else are you doing
voter
then?
knows whom he has to vote.
What else are you doing then?
He
Why
will
are you
know the
wait?
persons
Why
who
has
are
the decision been
capable
kept
to
in abeyance
represent
till
the
Amit
party?
Shah comes on
And who
26th?
will be there? Who should be there?
Why can't you make the announcement today?
Assembly legislators.
Why can't you
This is
make the announcement
process.
today?
And
You
has
can't
Uddhav
deny
Thackeray
the process.
sacrificed
You can't
the-
deny the process. You can't deny the process. There is a date, and everyone knows there is a last date to get the nomination.
But
form
has
filled.
Uddhav Thackeray
So every
sacrificed
party
the
can
claim
decide
to
the
chief
best
ministership?
candidate till
No.
the last moment.
No. Point is, the other thing again, Aman
Every Shiv Sainik wishes
Aman
like
Sinha,
that.
between the
Uddhav
BJP
Thackeray
and the
has
Shiv
never claimed
Sena,
that I have to become the chief minister.
I'm not even talking about the NCP and the
he
Congress
has-
at the moment, but between the BJP and
also
Sena wasn't
saying
better
for
expected,
claiming
because this is something Amit Shah had said long time back, that we want equal share, we will not accept anything less than 135. Today it is 130, the arrangement. So what has changed in the last 24 hours that suddenly this change of position happened? And why weren't these decisions taken 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago? Why isn't the voter and the
Mr. Amit
electorate
Shah
given
has not
choice,
made any
chance to
public
understand?
statement of this sort. No, the talks and negotiations have been going on, but these all parleys were, between the party leaders. There was no such public statement by
Well,
any
Uddhav Thackeray made a
top
public
BJP
statement
leader
in
at
front
least.
of
But let me
activists
also say at the
and
same
district
time.
leaders. He made a public statement in a public meeting of Shiv Sena where all the leaders,
No, please.
the local leadership, they sanctioned Uddhav
No,
Thackeray
in a
that you
public
fight for
meeting,
151 seats.
we are very much entitled to. In a public
Of course we are
meeting,
entitled to.
we are very
Of
much
course, I am
entitled
not
to,
denying their
exude our
entitlement.
confidence, express our, optimism about winning the elections. What is wrong with that?
No,
I
it's
agree
not about
that
winning
that
the
is a
elections, Aman
legitimate,
Sinha.
part of the
It's about
political
what was
process.
said on the public forum
Why
about
should
the
a
seat
political
sharing,
party not say
about the
so?
arrangement between the two
point
parties.
is,
No, I agree they were entitled.
No.
I am not disagreeing
as
on
far
that.
as numbers are
Question is, it was a
concerned,
public statement, that's all.
numbers finally will be decided by leadership of both the parties.
When,
They are
Aman
not to be
Sinha?
discussed, publicly.
When?
At least
Are you
nobody
going to
from
gi-
BJP side.
No, when, Aman Sinha, are you going to give the electorate,
Sorry?
the voter of Maharashtra, the chance to make a fair decision? Or is it all going to be at the NHR and then just go blindly and decide what you want, absolutely confused and confounded? Is that also right?
No. That is a pertinent question, but let me assure you that it will be sooner than later. And, perhaps, in a day or two, you will, the picture will be clear tomorrow itself, and in a day or two, you will see things moving on ground very
No,
quickly.
do you get the sense here that you have the sense of sabotage, you have a sense of superstition, but you don't have a sense of camaraderie? When you have the BJP and the Shiv Sena today together on the news hour, you still don't see the
You
chemistry.
have one more point. Sabotage, no camaraderie and rebellions.
No, what
Rebellions
more-
are,
what
the
more do you
rebel
want,
candidates
Anand?
are going to stand
We have
from the
said that
Shiv Sena,
Shiv Sena
from
is
the
our
BJP,
old and valued alliance
from the
partner.
underground consent of the leadership, and therefore both of them, sabotage comes after the rebellion. First there will be rebellious candidates from both Shiv Sena and BJP. Some rebellious candidates of Shiv Sena will be held by Shiv Sena cadre, some BJP rebels will be held by BJP cadre, and finally that sabotage will decide the number, and on that number they will squabble again. That's the game.
He's again calling it, Aman Sinha.
Well, Mr. Ketkar is entitled to his, wild. No, Mr. Ketkar is entitled to his wild, sweeping theories and conclusions.
Not stories,
I don't
our
even want to
experience.
comment on that.
Last
The fact
40
of the
years we are
matter
seeing
is
this.
that
Okay.
once
Aman Sinha,
both the political parties
your
come
alliance is
together,
25
we
years,
fight
we
as
are
a
seeing
united
elections.
front,
Tell us something,
and we
Mr.
have been
Raman Sinha.
united since past many decades. So therefore, I do not see any difficulty on that count at all.
No, Mr. Aman Sinha, tell us what is important for the BJP and what is important with perspective to the voter here in Maharashtra. 130 seats for the BJP. Okay, alliance with the Shiv Sena, or alliance with the entire group of allies with the Shiv Sena, which forms the Grand Alliance in Maharashtra.
Allies are very unhappy.
No, what is important for the BJP? Because therein lies the solution. Therein lies the
What is
answer to this
important
question.
for BJP is that, yes. What is important for BJP is that in interest of people of Maharashtra, we should get rid of this Congress NCP misrule of past 15 years, which has only spread misgovernance and corruption.
what are you willing to give up for that?
Of Maharashtra, and BJP Shiv Sena alliance will give a very capable, very very dynamic government, and which will be deserving of a state government in
So
Maharashtra.
is that the message? It is BJP and Shiv Sena, the other alliance, the other allies will be marginalized in
They are
this
already-
grand alliance?
already
Further marginalized?
Already marginalized.
Is
Well,
that
as
the
of
net
now-
takeout?
No. Please,
151 for the Sena, 130 for the BJP,
Shiv Sena,
7 odd
I mean
for the
whole
other allies.
alliance.
They are already
No,
angry
and
about
those
it.
allies are very much on board with us. They have not expressed any disagreement.
They
Anand.
have
No,
expressed.
no.
Those allies, I
They
was
have-
hearing, RPI
they
leader also
have
speaking,
expressed
and other
disagreement.
leaders also speaking.
Mr.
They are very
Raju
much on
Shetty
board.
and Mr. Jangal
Yes.
both
So
have,
everything will be resolved amicably.
Mr.
I do not think there is anything to worry
No,
on that
they
account
have
at all.
expressed their disagreement.
In fact, if I were to quote the Lok Sabha election data as far as this one, your allies in terms of the Swabhiman Paksha had showed strength at about 9 seats. You also had your other allies showing more strength in some of the other seats. So you're going to ask them to give up what positions of strength they are, because from 18 seats, you're going to marginalize them to 7 seats. So are you willing to do that? Is that the compromise that's been arrived at? That at the cost of the allies, the BJP gets 11 seats extra?
That's not how to win friends and influence people. That's not.
No, Anand, let us await for the final, seat sharing arrangement. The talks are, even as we speak, the talks are going on. And as I mentioned to you, that sooner than later we are going to, come out with a public announcement, maybe tomorrow itself. So let us await that, and everybody is there on board. They are all discussing together, and there will be no, once it is decided,
Aman Sinha,
there will be no resentment, no
again,
disagreement.
you have not
anywhere.
given me a direct
We will go
answer. Let
into
me ask
elections
Prem
as a
Shukla this
united
question.
front. This Mahayuti is going to sweep the elections in Maharashtra.
Will it remain a Mahayuti, or will it just be a Yuti between the Shiv Sena and the BJP? That's the other question, Mr. Prem Shukla. Will the Shiv Sena agree to anything less than 150 seats?
No, everybody is there on board, Anand.
Mr. Prem Shukla, will the Shiv Sena agree to anything less than 150 seats?
There is no need, and it is now when we have come on the same page, we have already decided that Shiv Sena will be contesting 150 minimum seats. Mission 150.
So there you go. So there you go. Shiv Sena says mission 150, BJP says mission 130. So that means it's the allies. So it's not a grand alliance anymore. So the net takeout is that the weaklings will get marginalized further, and you again made a mockery of them.
Please try to listen. We'll never do. We are not Congress. We are not Congress. They put Lalu Prasad
You are
Yadav
not
in
doing
jail
anything better than
when
the
he
Congress
comes
and the
with
NCP, sir.
4 MPs in the parliament. We don't do that. We are the best alliance partners in the political history of India.
First of all, let's hope that your strike rate is better than what it was in 2009. And the Shiv Sena can actually walk the talk for once, because they don't seem to be even sticking to their word these days. That's the point, Mr. Prem Shukla.
Shiv Sena has gotten 18 seats out of 20 in the Lok Sabha elections. Very good cadre, very good leadership, very good network.
If that is the case, why you
alliance partner?
If that is the case, why aren't you showing the confidence?
And we are going to be victorious in the elections.
Where are you showing the confidence then?
100% there is a confidence.
Why do you need 150 seats then?
Where we are not showing the confidence.
To show a winnability factor, why do you need 150 seats? Say we will contest only 100 and we'll win all 100. That's not what the Shiv Sena is saying. So you talk big, but you don't act, sir.
Someday we'll say, please try to understand. Narendra Modi says 272 will win, and everyone was laughing. Even Mundgekar sir and the Pandit Ketkar, all were laughing on this channel. How they will get 272 plus? They got 288. So why we should not wish about the 150?
So then why? You know what, sir? आप शिव सेना के लिए बात कर रहे हैं कि बीजेपी के लिए मुझे पता नहीं. क्योंकि आपके हिसाब से विनेबिलिटी बीजेपी की ज्यादा है, तो सीटें उनको ज्यादा देनी चाहिए.
We are batting for both. We'll contest all the 288 seats to win. We as a grand alliance will put our efforts for all the 288 seats.
अरे मिस्टर प्रेम शुक्ला, आप क्या बोल रहे हैं? आपने अभी बोला कि बीजेपी का स्ट्राइक रेट अच्छा है, बीजेपी ने जो कमिट किया उससे ज्यादा दिखाया है, तो उस हिसाब से उनको सीटें ज्यादा मिलनी चाहिए. आप क्या कह रहे हैं? आप क्या कह रहे हैं यहाँ? आप क्या कह रहे हैं? आप बीजेपी का एग्जाम्पल देके शिवसेना को खड़ा कर रहे हैं, लेकिन आपका ही तो अलाय पार्टनर है वो, तो उसको आप सीटें क्यों नहीं दे रहे हैं? उनकी विनेबिलिटी ज्यादा है, उनका स्ट्राइक रेट ज्यादा है, तो उनको दे दो. ये लड़ाई पब्लिक क्यों कर रहे हैं?
We are not fighting. You are trying to get us into the fight, but we are not fighting.
कमाल है. We are having this debate because you people are fighting for the last 2.5 weeks.
He says
we are having this debate because you people are publicly fighting.
Chief Minister gives a clear
135 की बात थी, आप तब से लड़ रहे हैं, और अभी आपने खुद ही कहा कि बीजेपी की विनेबिलिटी ज्यादा थी, किसी ने बिलीव नहीं किया, उन्होंने करके दिखाया.
No. Who told them our winnability is involved in that winnability? उनके
Aman
झंडे में
Sinha,
हमारा
Aman
भी
Sinha, I'm
झंडा है,
getting a news
सरकार.
update also.
Don't forget that.
Aman Sinha, I'm getting the entire meeting with the allies has just ended. The Grand Alliance meeting has just ended more than 2.5 hours in Mumbai. The meeting has just ended, and the BJP, supposedly it's been inconclusive. The BJP leaders have walked out. That is what we are given to understand. There has been a toughening of position. That is what we are given to understand. So there is a reason why we are sitting here and saying this arrangement is uneasy. There is a reason why I am questioning Mr. Prem Shukla's logic here, what he is saying. They are unwilling to compromise. That's the word. Anything below
No, Anand,
135, we are putting it out
are you
here,
asking
breaking
me a
on the news
question,
hour.
Anand?
They are unwilling to compromise. Anything less than 135 is unacceptable. So that means that Shiv Sena's mission 150 will not stick, Mr. Prem Shukla.
What? Why you are trying to create a debate?
No, Kamal, we are putting out the news.
On the channel.
I am not cooking
We
this
have
up. This is
already
the
got
news.
formula.
We are
We
getting
going
it.
for that.
Speculative reports.
Why you want to? Those you are cooking
Let us
this.
await.
Sir,
No, we are not.
don't tell us that we are cooking up
we are
anything.
not,
What is being cooked up is
we
being
should
served by
not
the
be-
Shiv Sena and by
we
the
should not be
BJP only
forced
to the people.
We should not be forced
Nothing.
to offer any
Confuse and
comment on
confound.
speculations. We should not be forced to. Please don't force us to give any statement, anything on the speculation basis.
Sir, I am questioning you on what you said of your own
So
volition.
why not
You
our
don't have an
rights?
answer for that. I am questioning you based on what news we are getting from our reliable sources. You don't have an answer for that.
We have already.
So what do you have an answer for, sir?
Premji,
So why
Premji.
should I answer for that?
No,
Why shouldn't you, sir?
First I will confirm the news, then I will answer anything.
प्रेम जी एक ही
Why
सवाल
should I? Why?
मीडिया ने तो ये figures निकाले नहीं।
It is expected from me.
नहीं, जो कोई
that I
figures
should
है,
confirm it.
प्रेम जी जो कोई फिगर्स है राइट रॉन्ग अदरवाइज वो तो मीडिया ने निकाले नहीं, वो फिगर्स आप दो पार्टी से ही आ गए
हाँ।
और तभी तो बताया गया कि 150 मिशन है और
हाँ, ठीक है
151 का कंडीशन लगा
तो
गया और बाकी अलाइंस को जब 18 सीटें दी गई थी वो सडनली 7 नंबर हो गया। ये फिगर्स मीडिया ने थोड़ी कुकअप किए, ये मीडिया के पास आपकी तरफ से फिगर्स आए।
हम उनको एकोमोडेट करेंगे ना। ऐसा होता है कि हर अपने पार्टी अलाई को हम अपने सुदिन में अच्छी तरह से एकोमोडेट करेंगे। कुछ मंत्री बनेंगे, कुछ विधायक बनेंगे, कुछ महामंडलों के अध्यक्ष बनेंगे, बहुत सारी बातें होती है।
मतलब फिगर्स हमने नहीं बनाए,
अलायंस जो है
फिगर्स
वो
मीडिया ने नहीं
दूसरे
बनाए।
को मत का ट्रांसफर करते हैं तो एक उसका जो है एक जो है कोई सिस्टम बनता है that will be created. We are going for
okay.
that.
But just a pause from BJP and Shiv Sena. You see what is happening? The opportunity Congress and NCP has lost, Mr. Mungekar here. Do you see what it presented yourself a nice opportunity that in a time of adversity, when these two forces have not yet decided how they want to combine against you, despite the fact they want to oust you out of power, you still haven't sorted your issues with the NCP.
See, let me tell you,
And you still you still want to point fingers on the other side. Both you and the NCP, your counterparts, are looking on the other side of the fence rather than looking within and saying, okay, let's sort this out and let's portray a united front to the voter, to the electorate, saying that we are standing united when they are still fighting. You've lost out that opportunity too.
Anand, I don't agree to what you are saying. My simple question is, the unity between the NCP and the Congress party doesn't depend upon what Congress, what NCP, what BJP and Shiv Sena.
So then why haven't you decided yet? Sir, it's a matter of 6 seats. We are given to understand last NCP was ready to agree at 130 seats. They're still waiting for a counter proposal from Congress. Why hasn't it happened?
Magical figure of
my
130.
simple point is, now this is the bargaining capacity of both the political party. Then they're bargaining to the level based. I am sure that once the proposal is given for 130, Congress also will make some compromise formula. But now you remember, you are asking me why they are bickering and why they have not been able to settle the number of seats they will be fighting. The question is, I understand today evening that NCP is giving the proposal that chief ministership will be shared between Congress and the NCP 2.5 year seat. I think this is the new demand. When you are bargaining, it is simple logic of bargaining, even the trade union and the employer.
So,
Oh.
That in the bargaining process always, no, एक minute please.
हाँ बोलिए.
I am talking after much long, I longer
Yeah, go ahead, sir,
My
go ahead, sir.
question is,
So-
after see, basically, this is new
Aman
demand.
Sena coming to you.
Anand.
The bargaining
Aman Sena
process
coming to you.
also
Just wait.
when
Yes,
no,
yes,
no,
Mr.
no,
Mungekar.
it is relationship between the Congress
Anand.
and the NCP
Can I come in?
is not employer and please,
Just wait, Aman Sinha, coming to you. Yes, Mr. Mungekar, make your point.
No, my proposition is, within next, if she basically, Congress and NCP should have by this time, I agree with you, they should have been able to sort out their differences and they should have been able to make the unity.
Mr. Mungekar, the point is that if the NCP says chief ministership has to be shared between 2.5 years, that's a actually major climb down, because we had the NCP very clearly saying that if Prithviraj Chavan is the chief ministerial candidate of the Congress, there is no way that Ajit Pawar is going to accept a deputy chief minister post. So very clearly it is about who will be chief minister and it's not about the seat. So the Congress has to agree, they don't have a choice. Or they say, no, sorry, it's not Prithviraj Chavan. One way or the other, the Congress has to decide. Because you yourself have admitted, when you pointed, when somebody like, other Congress leaders say, oh, BJP Sena are fighting about who will be CM. Very rightly, Congress, NCP are also fighting about who will be CM. Why can't you take that decision and allow the voter a clear
I made that. Anand, I made that statement that all the four political parties, major question today is who will become the chief minister.
So answer that question. Answer that question and get over with it. No, don't wait till 15 days before the election, sir. It's unfair to the electorate.
Anand, let us discuss seriously. In the theory of negotiation between the employer and the employee, what is called breaking point. Even today, with this kind of our level of bickering, I'm not sure that Congress and NCP, they have come to the breaking point. They have not reached the breaking point.
Sir,
I'm sure that
so you just use the equation of employer-employee. So you've very clearly said that, sorry, the partnership between NCP and Congress is not an equal one.
Can I come in now?
Yes, Aman Sinha.
Partnership.
Anand.
That partnership lasted for 15 years and I'm sure on
Anand,
the basis
first of all,
so the partnership was not an equal one.
Party has admitted
Still, Congress
that
still considers
open
NCP
bargaining
as
is
a
going on.
partner.
It is a partnership.
Yes, Aman Sinha.
Anand, open bargaining is going on between Congress and NCP.
Is it?
The second thing that
What
he
business
admitted
you have
was
got to talk
that there is
about
some
Congress?
employer-employee
Mr. Sinha, you
relationship.
manage your
I do
own
not know
house.
who is the employer and
Mr.
who is the
Sinha.
employee in their alliance. But it is something for
Mr.
everybody to
Sinha, you
figure
manage
out.
for your own
Now,
house.
thirdly,
You are not
since
able
they are absolutely conscious and aware that they are staring defeat right in front of them. It is inconsequential, whether they form an alliance, they don't form an alliance.
That's why
and
you were
therefore, I think
shifted
they
out of
have
power after
given
5
it up.
years.
And, as far as Maharashtra is concerned,
BJP Shiva Sena alliance
Anand,
was thrown out of
Anand,
power
it is a
immediately
very
after 5
curious
years.
case,
Congress, NCP
even
ruled
for media
15
to
years.
find out who is
Now, this is
employer
what-
and who is
this is
employee in this alliance
Mr.
between
Mr.
Shiv Sena,
Sinha,
in this alliance between
Mr. Sinha,
NCP and Congress
your
party.
memory is very weak. BJP
Just
Shiva
And he's
Sena was
admitted that
thrown
open
out of
bargaining
power
is going
Please
on.
allow me
Just
to
after
put a
5
point.
years.
So
Congress and NCP ruled for 15 years. You were shunted out of power. You that took in your hands after 1960 1st May only once. After
Please don't tell me political
1960
history.
till today.
I know that.
No,
Please
you
don't
don't
give a
know
lecture
that.
on
You are
political
ignorant about
history.
it.
Please
I
tell
am
us what
telling you
bargaining
because you
is
are
going on.
ignorant.
No,
You are
Please tell
ignorant.
us what bargaining is going
You are
on.
ignorant about it.
No,
Aman
not
Sinha.
only me.
Aman
Each
Sinha,
and-
with all due respect,
each and every citizen
with
of
all
this
due
country
respect,
knows
at least,
who has been in power in
with all due
Maharashtra
respect to Mr.
and who is
Mungekar.
responsible
No, Aman
for
Sinha,
all
with
the
all due respect to
misgovernance
Mr.
and
Mungekar,
corruption
at
which has
least
taken
he
place
has
in
the
state of
gumption to sit
Maharashtra.
here and say
You don't
all
need to
four
give a
parties
political
are
lecture on
bickering
that.
because they want the chief minister's
Please
post.
tell us who
At
is
least he's
employer
come
and who
out
is
and said
employee
that
in your
NCP
alliance.
and Congress want a sharing of the chief minister's post between 2.5 years. The BJP and the Shiv Sena are not even willing to admit that their bone of contention is the chief minister's post. They are not even willing to admit
Absolutely.
that there is bargaining going
Yes,
on.
let me-
It's just coming out
What is
from
the reply,
different
Mr.
voices.
Sinha? Absolutely.
If 119,
Now, what is
151,
Sinha's reply?
130, 151, 7,
just
aren't
one-
these
just I
bargaining?
want to correct
Isn't
you.
this bargaining?
Please allow me to correct
Now,
you.
what
Please
is
allow
Sinha's
me to
reply?
correct you.
Because
Please
it
allow
is
me to
not.
correct you.
Acha,
It is
In last
not a bone
25
of
years, we have
contention
the history
between
of
BJP and
25
Shiv
years.
Sena.
We got in power in 4.5 years.
Power hungry NCP
We are in the
Congress
opposition from
alliance.
last 20 and a half
It would be
years.
an issue for them. It is not an issue for BJP.
why-
Shiv
so
Sena.
isn't the
we are
BJP and Shiv Sena hungry for power,
You are
sir?
not, Mr.
And we-
Sinha, you
Yes,
are
Mr.
talking
Prem
We
Shukla,
have been in
aap bataiye.
opposition for 4 decades.
You don't
In,
comment on
in
Congress,
Delhi.
NCP, Mr.
नहीं, हमारी
Shukla,
अलायंस
Mr.
25
Sinha.
साल से है
Please.
और
You
पूरे
please
पूरे
bother
भारतीय
for what
इतिहास
is your
Why
की
should I not?
भारतीय
You have
इतिहास
been
की
commenting on our
political
alliance.
history.
Why should I not
You refer
comment
to
on your
Indian
alliance?
political history.
I never
This is
commented.
the
I will
longest
blast for
surviving alliance on the issue of हिंदुत्व.
नहीं नहीं, तो वो इशू तो वो मुद्दा तो साइड में ही रह गया, प्रेम शुक्ला जी. वो मुद्दा तो साइड में रह गया, अब तो मुद्दा सीटों का हो गया और सीएम कौन बनेगा उसका हो गया.
That is the bonding.
No, the issue is not about Hindutva anymore between the Saffron Brigade.
This is always.
If the issue was Hindutva, then we wouldn't be having this debate 23 days before the Maharashtra elections.
We are the political
What
parties.
respect has the
We
alliance
came on
itself
a-
shown to
we-
this
we came on a
25-year-old alliance
discussion,
by
and
saying
we
that
are
today you are
proposing a
sitting here,
vision.
you are acknowledging
We are
that the BJP
proposing a
has better
vision,
winnability,
a
but you are not
credibility.
willing to relent.
And you are not seeing that. You are not discussing about our vision plan.
No, when
Honorable
when
Uddhav
Shiv Sena
Thackeray has
said
given a vision
that
plan. You
Uddhav
never
Thackeray
have
is our
discussed about
candidate,
that.
Yeah.
What are
BJP
the
came on and
you
said
can
we cannot
discuss the
decide
vision
chief
plan on
minister
the-
candidate
of the
in
Shiv Sena.
advance.
Where is the
BJP
vision
was
plan of
clear.
Congress?
BJP
Mr. Prem
openly
Shukla,
said,
he-
BJP
yeah.
leadership openly said chief ministerial candidate will be decided only after the poll. Whereas Shiv Sena demanded, let there be complete understanding that Uddhav Thackeray will be the chief minister.
Isn't that the single most important point that you're holding on to? Both the BJP and the Shiv Sena, who will be the chief minister, announce Uddhav Thackeray as the chief ministerial candidate of this combined grand alliance is what Shiv Sena's position is. BJP not willing to relent.
It always put its face as Shiv Sena Pramukh.
BJP is not
in every
able to-
election.
BJP is not
in every
willing-
Lok Sabha to council
BJP
election to the corporation
Mr.
election.
Anand.
We always
One sec, Mr.
we
Munir.
always project one face, and that was
Mr.
our Bala
Anand.
Thackeray. Now we are projecting
Mr.
Honorable Uddhav
Anand.
Thackeray's face.
No.
We are deciding.
So what? You will project your own face individually, and what happens to the alliance? What happens to
So,
the alliance?
we-
So the
we have
BJP
gotten
has
that
to agree to
democratic
it.
right. We are
Otherwise,
doing
there is
that.
no alliance. Is that what you're saying, Mr. Shukla?
We'll resolve
The
on that
BJP
issue.
has to
We'll
agree to
resolve-
Mr.
no,
Uddhav Thackeray as the chief
These-
ministerial
these
candidate.
are-
Otherwise, there is no
this
alliance. Is
not
that
the
what you're
style.
saying?
This is not the style to interact with an alliance.
Huh?
This is not. हम हर दोस्त को हर बात नोटिस देकर नहीं करते हैं.
सर, ये दोस्ती नहीं है, ये पॉलिटिकल
हमारी बात
अरेंजमेंट
का
है.
तरीका है.
आप इलेक्शन लड़ने
और
जा रहे हैं,
उस
कोई
तरीका
मजाक
जो
नहीं
है वो सफल रहा है.
आप इलेक्शन लड़ने जा रहे हैं, आप
हाँ,
कोई
तो
मजाक
इसीलिए
नहीं
तो
है.
political
क्या
arrangement
बात कर रहे हैं?
कर
आप
रहे
बोल रहे हैं कि दोनों
तभी
कैडर
तो
को कोई
political
क्लैरिटी नहीं होगी
arrangement कर रहे
कि
हैं.
चीफ मिनिस्टर कौन बनेगा.
और क्यों अरेंजमेट कर रहे
आप
हैं?
क्लैरिटी नहीं देना चाहते हैं.
हम मुद्दों के साथ
आपका
दोस्तों के
सिंगल
साथ,
मोस्ट मुद्दा यही है
विषयों के
कि
साथ
आप चाहते हैं
चुनाव
कि
में जाना
बीजेपी
चाहते हैं।
अनाउंस करे कि
आप
उद्धव
रोके
ठाकरे
पड़े
चीफ
हैं।
मिनिस्टरियल
आप
कैंडिडेट है और ये
डिस्कस
होगा
नहीं कर रहे हैं।
नहीं. इसीलिए आप अड़े
हमारे
हुए
युति
हैं.
में
ये बात सही है कि नहीं है,
काल्पनिक
मिस्टर
झगड़े पर
शुक्ला?
announce कर रहे हैं, डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. हम जो विजन
Anand, let
डॉक्यूमेंट
me
देते
say,
हैं,
I
we are not
did not-
discussing that. और हमारे में झगड़ा जो देखा नहीं, there
Sir,
is no proof.
if I come back
We
to
are
the other
discussing
issues,
that.
you are divergent even on Vidarbha. So most
Where is the
important
problem?
aspect on the BJP's manifesto does not feature on your Shiv Sena
I'm
manifesto.
ready to
So
discuss
there are
every
multiple issues why
point.
you are not agreeing. It's not about seats. I know that also.
We are ready. We'll discuss on the every issue. We'll
Yes,
discuss
Mr.
every
Mungekar.
issue. Please.
Final
invite
word.
us.
Final word from Mr.
For
Mungekar.
every
Yes,
issue,
sir.
will be there to answer.
See, ideally, see, Mr. Anand, thank you very much. Ideally speaking, I'm not going for political rhetorics. All the four parties and two alliances, by this time, people of Maharashtra definitely would have expected that they would have been positioned to set the alliances proper, and they should fight BJP, Shiv Sena versus Congress and NCP. Unfortunately, this did not happen. Now, second, I don't want to comment on BJP, Shiv Sena at all because they were shunted out of power just after 5 years. BJP was the national party. Shiv Sena was formed in 1966. What BJP has given to the people of Maharashtra? Zero. Except kind of unrest, social unrest.
Sir, Mr. Mungekar, I'm sorry, I'm running out of time. I have to end this debate. But the question is, what has the NCP Congress given in the last 11 decades to the people of 11 years to the people of Maharashtra? 15 years. What has happened?
Dear friend,
No, nothing much has happened. The point is, all four parties, as we end this discussion, gentlemen, all four parties stand guilty of denying the electorate the choice and the clarity 23 days before the polls. And all four parties are responsible for that, irrespective of what alliance they end up in. Thanks for joining us on the News Hour debate number 2 this evening.